The Behcet Centre of Excellence is in the Royal London Hospital in Whitechapel. The clinic opened in a brand new building in 2012. If you're able to use public transport, the Behcet's clinic is 5 to 7 minutes walk from Whitechapel tube station. Or it can be helpful to get dropped off at the Stepney Way entrance to the main hospital. For some, the journey to a Behcet's clinic is a long one. In the past, it would take on average 10 years from first symptoms until diagnosis, but now there are children's clinics so that assessment can happen early on and treatment starts sooner. We made this video to help you find your way around the Behcet Centre of Excellence. A bit of a guide as to who you'll meet and what you'll do when you visit the clinic for the first time. Find the Lux entrance at the Royal London Hospital. Go inside the door on the right and look for lift course 6. You'll want to go up to level 1 for the Behcet's Clinic 6. Come out of the lift, turn left and you'll see Clinic 6, the Behcet's Clinic.
A welcome at reception awaits you with Bridie. She will give you lots of forms to fill in.
Expect questions about ulcers, your skin, your eyes and vision, any headaches or tiredness, and how problems may get in the way of your everyday life or your friendships and activities you like to do.
There may be questions about things you like to eat and drink, and those you also avoid.
Jean is the friendly face of the Behcet Syndrome Society and the support worker at the London Centre. Usually the first doctor you meet gathers lots of information about your symptoms. For example, when you first started getting ulcers, how big they are and how long they last. You or your parents may have recorded this information, so do bring it along. Professor Fortune is the expert in Behcet's disease, as she's seen many patients with all the different symptoms. Behcet's disease may affect many different parts of the body, so the doctors will ask about these and want to examine you.
You may feel embarrassed about your symptoms, but don't worry, the doctors will understand everything. Professor Fortune is also a dentist, so she'll look inside your mouth with a special light and mirror.
Professor Stanford is an eye doctor called an ophthalmologist. He will ask you questions about your vision, any headaches, and also look at your eyes with this machine called a slit lamp.
Professor Jawad examines your joints and skin, as he is a rheumatologist. Professor Kidd is an expert on the brain called a neurologist.
There are 2 lovely nurses in clinic called Nardos and Elizabeth, who are always busy arranging further tests you may need, as well as helping when patients are examined.
Putting together all your symptoms and any test is like a giant jigsaw, and it may take a bit of time.
We therefore recommend you bring along some entertainment for your day in the Behcet's clinic.
Steve is a psychologist who helps with your feelings and emotions after a diagnosis of Behcet's disease is made.
If you're prescribed new medication in clinic, you can collect it from the Lloyd's pharmacy near the main entrance, but be prepared for a long wait. For refreshments, there are vending machines inside the Behcet's clinic, but if you want something more substantial, there's a cafe and a restaurant on the 5th floor of the main building. We were given this lovely book in clinic. It's about a bird who's different to his friends and sometimes needs a bit of help from those around him.
We hope our little video helps you on your visit to the Behcet Centre and wish you all the best on your journey.